In my 10 years, I've never seen anybody actually do the independent test that you are allowed to do after a DUI. I've really never seen anybody actually do it, because this is something where when the police draw your blood, you have a right to also go to a hospital and have your blood drawn a second time by a nurse. And then essentially you can have that blood tested to see how much alcohol is actually in your system, or drugs, whatever it may be. Nobody actually does this. It's very difficult to be able to then consciously think to get the Uber ride, to go to the hospital, to voluntarily ask them that you need to be tested to see what is in your system, basically right then and there. They put it at the low priority list, so it's hard to get in and get this done. And the hospital really has no right to really say no to you, but also you don't really have a right to force them to do it either. So we see a little bit of a pushback on the people who try this. We've even seen somebody who tried to do this the wrong way, where they showed up to the hospital thinking that the police officer was going to show up to the hospital with the second tube to have the second tube tested, which is not the independent test that you are allowed to do. That's just retesting the blood sample. Totally different thing there. Never seen anybody really ever do this, definitely not successfully, but it is something that you should be aware of, because every single person gets this piece of paper in their DUI paperwork with the police that says you have a right to do that.